Power supply, of course. I can't even grab them all together. 2024 model. I don't think so that there is such knob in 2021 models. Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox my new power supply which I purchased for this Black Friday. It's RM1000, well known. What's new about it is that it has proprietary 12 VHP-WR. This cable would allow me to connect my new GPU straight to the power supply. Okay, so what we have in the box? Power supply, of course, and bunch of cables. Wow. That's a hefty bunch of cables. Take a look at it. I can't even grab them all together. Look how many. What's there? Zip ties. It's a bunch of small zip ties, which is a good stuff. It's very thoughtful of Corsair. And this one for PSU. What's there? Oh, it's just 4 screws, in case if you don't have screws. Okay, so that's nice. Last but not least is our power supply. What's written there? Silent operations at the low moderate loads. In this mode, the fan will not spin. I like this knob. It allows you to dial RPMs of their 140 mil fan, and thus you can control it. Either it will be automatically, either you can override the mode by enabling it. So once you turn it on, you can hear a distinctive click. Then you can just fix the RPMs at certain level and it will not go any further. And if you want fully automatic mode, you can just shut it down and the system will take control over. 2024 model. I don't think so that there is such knob in 2021 models, which are missing that cute 12V 2x6, which is the main reason why I bought this power supply. It was on sale for 216 bucks and yeah, I just grabbed it. And the fact that you can power your big GPU, no matter how power hungry it is, from one cable, that was the main sales point for me. That you can connect the whole thing, GPU, no matter how big it is, from one cable, and you can sleeve it properly. It's long enough to reach whatever your GPU is, and yeah, you can zip tie the cable with those tires in a package. So in total, what we got: power cable, 3 SATA cables which you can plug in like 6 SSDs or HDDs, 1 NVIDIA 12 VHP-WR cable, 2 CPUs cable for the motherboard. I have no idea why and where you need to use 2 CPU cable, maybe professional motherboard or not ATX one, bigger ones. I forgot the acronym for them, but that could be it. But I've never seen any ATX motherboard which would need more than 1. 2 Molex cables which allows you to connect 4 old school Molex devices, hard drives, floppy if you want, and we got 4 literally. I don't know why you need that much, but you can connect some kind of monster graphic card, like I'm thinking about 7900 XTX or something like that, because biggest I ever seen 3x8 GPU cables. If you know solutions which consume 4 cables, just comment below please. And their main ATX 24 pin cable for motherboard. New RM1000X model 2024. Can't wait to put it into my system. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you in the next one.